Hey guys, this is 𝐤𝐤 from Shanghai Silk Road. This is another update video regarding the current situation in China, specifically in Shanghai, during coronavirus outbreak, lockdown, quarantine, so to speak. Although Shanghai is not under quarantine, still local government is taking all the possible measures to prevent the spread of the virus. So one of those positive measures actually they're taking is collaborating with local payment gateway, which is Alipay, one of the famous ones. For those people who don't know what Alipay is, it's an alternative third-party payment platform, exactly like PayPal or Stripe. But Alipay is widely used, very famous in mainland China, and plus Hong Kong and Macau, and also in Southeast Asian countries and regions. So what local governments are doing right now is they are collaborating with this company, Alipay, to generate health QR codes. This is how they're calling it now. I'm going to leave the screenshot somewhere here so you can get an idea what I'm talking about. So every person now assigned when they log into their Alipay account on their mobile, they have this special health QR code. So that health QR code is generated using existing data, big data on every person, every individual. That data comes from different departments of government, obviously. So they will consider and analyze the existing data and give you a special code, which is either green or yellow or red. So based on those colors, you are either quarantined or you're free to deal with your daily life, basically. So obviously you can assume that if you have a green color QR code, then you don't have any restrictions in China. So you can go to shopping malls, you can resume work, you can start using your office, which is good news. It's one of the examples how technology can help make our lives easier, actually. In this example, China is taking advantage of existing technology and plus the big data that is available in different parts of our lives. Actually, all the companies nowadays, they collect data, and of course, to create such systems, it requires huge investment, huge resources, etc., etc., and of course skill sets. But still, China is trying to prevent the disease from spreading and making use of technology, to help people to go around with their lives, everyday lives here. And I hope this kind of systems will be used by different other developed countries as well, especially those the coronavirus is spreading, in rapid paces right now. And why? Because obviously, this is just a technology. It prevents, first of all, human-to-human contact. Technology is online, so in this sense, it's, I think, a very, very good example. So right now, people do not have to go and check themselves because all the information is available already. At least if they have crossed the border, so if they have got in touch with anybody who was affected, etc., etc. Of course, I'm not an expert on how big data works, on how data analysis works, but still, I think artificial intelligence, which is available right now, is quite able and quite developed, advanced enough to tackle such situations. And also this system, which was created by Alipay and in collaboration with Alipay and Chinese government, is giving you option. If you're not satisfied with the color of your QR code, you can apply for feedback. You can give feedback, and then they will review your application. Okay, and according to the information which is given on Alipay, the review of your application will not take more than 1 day. So again, they're giving you this option to, if you're not satisfied, you can change it. If there is any error or false or faultiness of the information. So that's it. I'm going to leave mine as an example, like I said, so you can have an idea. So what you have to do right now is Shanghai still is open. You can visit Shanghai. You can come to China, to any city, provided that you find an airline. So once you are in China, so you just have to open your Alipay and apply for that green QR code or the health QR code. And they consider all the factors, like I said, all the data, and they will assign you your color. And based on that, you have to act. Like, you have to either stay in quarantine for 14 days. After that, your color will change, and there's no restriction for you. Okay, and this is actually very good news. Good use of technology, I would say. And yeah, it will be very helpful if many other countries will take this as an example, and to make use of technology in a good way to prevent the disease from spreading. Anyway, guys, so yeah, for people who are already living in China and who don't know about this update, yeah, please open your Alipay and go to your personal details, and there is this special section called health QR code. Okay, health code. You just press on it, and then it will automatically generate. I think the precondition in this is you have to have your name approved by Alipay first. Okay, so meaning, in other words, your account should be approved, because you can use Alipay without getting your name, real name verification thing. You can keep using it, but in order to use that health code, you have to get that real name verification. I think it takes a couple of days to verify your name. Alipay will ask you to submit a copy of your passport, obviously, and I think within 1 day they will check your passport, and they will approve your account. So once your account is approved, you can go ahead and use that special health QR code to make your life easier in China. Okay, and yeah, I don't actually, probably by now everybody already knows that starting from yesterday, 19th of March, China hasn't reported any new coronavirus affected person. Okay, in all the cities, including the epicenter of this virus, which is Wuhan. Okay, that's good news. I mean, of course, yeah, there are people who are trying to interpret this, in different ways. But given the situation, how badly all the countries are affected and economies, we prefer to to believe in this positive news. At least it gives us some kind of hope that the businesses will go down that deep, because obviously our company is affected as well, and so are so many clients' companies here in China. So we really hope that this situation will be tackled very, very soon. Okay, guys, so once again, it's been 𝐒𝐤. Don't forget to use your Alipay to get that QR code. It makes your life easier in China. I will see you guys in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and hit that like button and share it with your friends. Cheers.